another one that comes up an awful lot, and that is, how much do I need for my down payment? 50%, 70%, 0%? What are we dealing with here?
Well, the good news is not 70%. So we have two types of loans that are the most common.
Okay.
Number one is the FHA loan.
Okay.
It's a government loan. It has flexible guidelines.
Okay.
So you can do only 3.5% down payment.
That's pretty
That
good.
is really good.
Yeah.
And then you have your conventional loan. And the difference between the two, I would say a conventional loan is people with very good credit.
Mm-hmm.
Usually has competitive rates, low mortgage insurance.
Right.
And for that one, I get this question a lot. A lot of people think they have to put 20% down payment,
Yeah.
but they only have to do 5%.
Oh, 5% down for conventional. Oh, that's really, really good. But I also heard that there's a secret program that not everybody knows about. That maybe it's not a secret, but not a lot of people know. There's also a program with 3% down conventional. What can you tell me about that?
There is a 3% down payment conventional, and that program is reserved for first-time home buyers,
Okay.
and it also has an income limit.
Yeah.
So you cannot make too much money or you won't qualify for the 3%.
I got you. So if you make more than X number of dollars, and I'm hoping you'll tell us what the X number of dollars are, is if you make over that, you do 5% down for
Correct.
conventional. Otherwise, if I make how much?
It's anywhere between $50,000 and $55,000 a year.
Okay, depending on some different circumstances.
Correct.
Gotcha. So max $55,000. I make 56 instead of 55. I'm putting 5% down.
Correct.
If I'm under that threshold, then I'm a first-time buyer, haven't purchased in the last 3 years.
Correct.
I can use that 3% down program.
Yes, and you just said
That's
something.
exciting.
You just said something very important.
Yeah.
You haven't purchased in the last 3 years.
Yeah, own.
That doesn't own. Yes, correct. First-time home buyer doesn't mean that you have never had to purchase a property. Is, let's say you sold your property 5 years ago and you haven't owned since.
Right.
You are considered a first-time home buyer.
Right. And I think a lot of people also think that FHA is only for first-time buyers. That's also not true, right?
No. You can now have two FHA loans at the same time.
Oh, so there is a little something.
There is a little something, but you don't have to be a first-time home buyer to have an FHA loan.
Gotcha. So I can sell my $150,000 condo, and when I close on that one, I can also purchase a new one with an FHA loan if I want.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. So I'll just have that one at a time. No problem. I can make that happen. And I think we should say a little bit to our vets out there, because I'm very grateful for their service, and the country is grateful for their service. So they have a special program just for them. How much do they have to put down?
Nothing. It's 100% financing, no down payment required.
Love it. Thanks so much, vets. You deserve every penny of the down payment that you don't have to put down.
That is correct. There's another program that gives you 100% financing, and it's called a USDA loan.
All right.
And it's reserved for rural areas.
Yeah.
So I will leave that up to you to find your buyer at home.
We got the maps. We know where they're at. They're out there.
So that's another option.
Okay, great. Awesome. So we've kind of covered, you don't need 20% down. Usually in the typical scenario, 3.5% to 5% where you're going to be. If you're a vet, 0%, or USDA 0%, and 3% if you don't make too much.
Correct.
Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed that information. Give me a thumbs up if you did.